Welcome to another beautiful collection of denim craft ideas. Denim is one of those materials that can be used in so many creative ways. Instead of throwing away old jeans or denim pieces, we can turn them into something useful, beautiful, and unique. Every little piece of fabric can become a new idea when we use our imagination. Crafting is not only about making beautiful things. For many of us, crafting can also be a peaceful activity. When we sit down and start creating something with our hands and we forgot about many of the worries around us, our attention moves toward the color, shapes, fabrics, and little detail we are working on. Sometimes life becomes busy and sometimes we feel tired or sad without even knowing exactly why. On those days, doing something creative can give our mind a small break, and it's amazing different ideas, very creative. And when we sit down and start creating something with our hands, we forgot about many of the worries around us. Our attention moves toward the color, shape, fabric, and little details we are working on. And sometimes lives become busy and sometimes we feel tired or sad without even knowing exactly why. On those days, doing something creative can give our mind a small break. We don't always need something expensive or complicated. Sometimes a simple piece of old denim and a little creativity can make our day feel brighter. Denim is especially wonderful for crafts because it is strong, stylish, and easy to recognize. The beautiful blue color of denim gives every handmade project a special look. Whether we are making some home decorations, organizer, bags, flowers, or small accessories, denim can make simple idea look very charming. One of the best things about crafting is that we can learn something new every day. Maybe today we learn how to cut denim in a new shape. Tomorrow we may denim in a new shape and tomorrow we may learn a new stitching technique. Slowly these little skills become part of our creativity and give us more confidence to try new project. Crafting also teaches us patience. Not every project becomes perfect on the first try, and that is completely okay. Sometimes we make mistakes, change our idea, or start again, and these little mistakes are also part of learning. Every new attempt helps us understand on craft a little better. There is something very special about handmade things. They may not look exactly like something made in a factory, and that is what makes them beautiful. And handmade crafts carry out time, effort, creativity, and personal touch. When we make something ourselves, it becomes more meaningful. Old denim can have a second life through creativity. A pair of jeans that we not longer wear doesn't always have to become a waste. With someone imagination, it can become part of a beautiful craft project. This is a wonderful way to reuse fabric while creating something useful for our home. I really love how denim crafts can be simple but it still look elegant. You don't always need many materials to create something attractive. A few denim pieces, some thread, simple decorations, and creative thinking can be enough to make something special. Crafting can also give us feeling of achievement when we look at something we made with our own hands. We feel proud because we know how much time and effort went into it. Even a small project can remind us that we are capable of creating beautiful things. Sometimes we spend so much time thinking about problems that we forget to give ourselves a peaceful moment. Crafting can become that little moment we can sit comfortably, choose our materials, and enjoy the process without worrying about making everything perfect. Denim crafts are also a beautiful way to decorate our homes. A handmade denim basket, wall decoration, flower organizer, or small accessory can add a creative touch to a room. The best part is that the decoration can have a story behind the because we created it ourselves. Every craft project begins with a simple idea. Maybe we see an old denim packet and think it could become an organizer, and maybe we see a small piece of fabric and imagine a flower. Creativity begins when we look at ordinary things in a different way. All ideas is very creative, very amazing. Let your creativity be your little happy place. Keep learning, keep trying, and don't worry about perfection. Every handmade project is a part of your creative journey. Some projects may be simple, some may be difficult, but each one teaches us you something valuable. Thank you for spending this creative time with me. I hope this denim craft ideas inspire you to look at old things in a new way and discover the joy of making something with your own hands. Remember, crafting is not only about the final result, it is about creativity, patience, learning, and enjoy peaceful moments along the way. Keep creating and keep learning and start journey together. Thanks for watching my videos. Take care and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Thank you so much. Welcome to another beautiful collection of denim craft ideas.